Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dua and in today's video we are going to be making flapjacks. Now these are only 4 ingredients, so very quick and very easy. Let's go! Start off by preheating your oven to 180 degrees. The first 3 ingredients you'll need are 115 grams of butter, 115 grams of light brown sugar and 115 grams of golden syrup. Add all of your ingredients into a saucepan on medium heat. And keep stirring until it looks like this. It should resemble a caramel sauce. Then take 230 grams of oats, turn the heat off and add it to your mixture. And mix everything together until the oats are completely covered in the sauce. Should look something like this. Take your lined baking tray and pour the mixture in. And flatten it out with the back of a spoon. And you can add whatever you want to the mixture, nuts, raisins. I forgot to do this before putting it in the tray, so I've just done it now. And bake it in the oven for about 15 minutes. Don't over bake it because it'll be quite hard otherwise. And you'll see it starts to brown from the edges. And there it is, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And as always, the ingredients as well as the method will be in the description box down below. Bye guys.